record this. He said he gonna cook his mama. Guys, and thank you for coming back to another segment of We Got a Boat. And today I'm just gonna basically give you a little bit of video footage of me pressure washing the boat down, just trying to get that thing clean, you know what I'm saying? But you know, on a serious note, there is a backdrop to the boat, so no better person to explain it to you than Mrs. D. Take it away.
Hey guys, so backstory, almost approaching 3 years, I lost my father. And my husband felt like it would be a good idea for us to commemorate him in more ways than one, actually. But we inherited this boat, so we're in the process of beautifying it, making it more of a storyline for him, and then making it us as well.
Yeah, so we're gonna make sure we do the nicer things to it that we enjoy. And we're also going to keep it as a fishing boat, as said before, so we can go catch some fish and stuff like that. But we also get to hang out on the water too. But they used to call him Rock and Run. So Pops, we're gonna go ahead and put that on the side. Let everybody know that you're still out there on that lake. You know what I'm saying? You're still out there on that lake catching those fishes and stuff like that through your daughter and things like that, and your grandson. So
follow along with us, like, share, subscribe, and positive comments. We appreciate you guys following along with us to continue on my dad's legacy and things that he loves to do.
All right, so enjoy the video. video. Thank you guys for coming by, supporting us, and taking the time to give us your attention, see what we're doing, see how we're doing it. Comment on our page, let us know what you think, what videos you guys will request next, what you like to see. I do have a couple projects going on. Got a client today just called in on another project that she wants done. So with more content. It's such a busy situation going on. Smash that like button. If you are a subscriber already, make sure you click that notification button so you get to see all the content that we're putting out still. I'm still trying to get these videos out at least 2 to 3 days now. So pay attention for the next video. Thank you for coming by. Make sure you subscribe and like and share to all our followers. Be blessed.